Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to New York & Company credit card account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the address bar at the top, type in New York & Company credit card login and press enter. You'll end up in the next page where all of the search results are displayed on the screen. Click on this first link that you can see that says NYNC Rewards Credit Card Community. On the next home page displayed on the screen, click on the sign in button at the top. You'll be able to see a login area popping up at the right hand side corner. Enter your username in the first text field. Make sure to type in a valid username associated with your account. Head over to the password field and type in your password correct. You can double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon or the show link in order to reveal your password. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, click on this Remember Me box. But if you are using a public device or a shared mobile device, leave this unchecked before moving on. In case you've forgotten your username and your password and you'd like to reset to a new password or look for your username, click on the Forgot Username/Password link and follow the instructions. Finally, after you are done typing in your credentials correct, click on the sign in button and you'll be logged into your New York & Company credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.